Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today we are going to make a very interesting recipe, naan pizza. We are going to do this from the scratch. You don't need yeast for the dough and we are not going to use oven for baking. First take a pan, add some butter into it. To this we are going to add a cup of chopped paneer, that is cottage cheese. The paneer should turn golden brown like this. Set this aside. Next we are going to prepare sauce. For the sauce I am going to use Pintola peanut butter. This is gluten-free, soy-free, vegan, unsweetened, unsalted with no hydrogenated oil, no preservative and stabilizer. And most importantly, this is rich in fiber and protein. For the sauce we need half cup of Pintola peanut butter, a quarter cup of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of dry ginger powder, 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, juice of half a lemon, and 2 tablespoons of garlic chilli sauce. Let us give this a nice mix. We are going to beat this until it turns creamy. The consistency of the sauce will be like this. You can transfer this into an airtight container and store it in a refrigerator for weeks. Next, let us prepare the dough. For the dough, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is Maida. To this, add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. Now give this a nice mix. To this, let us add half a cup of curd. Now knead this into a soft dough. If the curd is not enough, you can add some water. So we have gathered the dough. Let us add some oil, around 2 teaspoons. Now knead this for at least 5 to 10 minutes for the gluten to form. The dough has become soft. We are going to cover this tightly and leave it for 2 hours. This is after 2 hours. The dough will become even more soft after 2 hours. Knead this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Divide this into medium-sized balls. It has to be like this. Dust some flour on the surface. We are going to place the dough on it and roll it. Roll it little thick like this. For preparing garlic naan, we need to spread some chopped garlic over the dough. The garlic should stick on the dough, so roll this very smoothly. Take the rolled dough out and place the plain side upwards. Apply water thoroughly on this side. And we are going to place this side on the pan first. Applying water will make the dough stick onto the pan until it gets cooked. If you see big bubbles like this, it indicates that this got cooked. At this stage, you can flip it. Now cook the other side. Once it is ready, apply some butter and take it out. So here our garlic naan is ready. Next, let us prepare a plain naan. Apply water on one side and place this side on the pan first. Here I can see the big bubbles, so I am going to flip this. Once it is ready, apply some butter and take it out. Two naans are ready. We are going to prepare pizza with these 2 naans. Here are our naans and our first step is to spread the sauce. Top this with the grated mozzarella cheese. Next is the fried paneer or cottage cheese, red bell peppers, chopped onions, chopped carrots, and finally the olives. We are going to bake this in a pan. I'm here using an idli steamer, but I'm not using water. Once the pan is hot, cook this in low flame for about 5 minutes. And here our pizza is ready. The cheese got melted and it is perfect. This is not the regular pizza. We have not used the regular pizza sauce. It will be so good, so do give a try. In this recipe, I have used Pintola peanut butter, which has low aflatoxin and has only one ingredient, that is the roasted peanuts. If you want to buy the same, the link is there in the description box. Please click it. Hope you liked the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe. Do like, share and comment our videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.